And from Neewer, we have here the ZC-10S kit for our review. As always, honest and impartial. So stay put and let's see what we have here today. Hey there, I'm Hugo Ferreira from TechCornerTV, and today we will review the Neewer ZC-10S projector kit. It has two LED lights, and we, as usual, will give our honest and impartial opinion. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time we have new videos. So right now, it's review time. So it's review time. Let's start with unpacking the projectors. We have in the pack two ZC-10S projectors. You have here, let's see if you can focus, ZC-10S. The power, it's 10 watts. You need a 5 volt 2 amp transformer power supply. So let's take it out. In the box we have a small user guide. Okay, this is the 66 LED projector. It can output, as I told you, 10 watts of light, and it has 1000 lumens. The color temperature, it's about 6600 K. It's a little over, I believe, the daylight, normal daylight. You can go from 10% to 100%. The packing list and the options of montage for the projector. So also in the box we have light filters. We have 2 reds, 2 blue, and 2 yellow RGB. No, sorry, red, blue, and yellow. This is not RGB. If you use it to like this, it's RGB from the green. And we have also in the package selfie stick. We have on top of the selfie stick a 1/4 inch. Let's see if we can focus. 1/4 inch screw. I'm not lucky today. And on bottom you have also a 1/4 inch nut or hole. I will leave this here. We have also a client contact from Neewer, support part, and a tripod, 2 tripods. We have 2 of everything here because those are 2 kits of lights, and we have a ball head for projector mounting. Let me take it out. Okay. The ball head can go here. Right. Let's move this way. And we will connect this to power now. Okay, so it is connected to the power. As you can see, now we have here blue light, increase light intensity, decrease light intensity, and turn on. Let's power up this, and now we will dim the light to a minimum of 10%, as you can see. Let's mount the tripods. Okay. With this mount, you can redirect the light anywhere you want. We are able to use this in any direction. Let's fix it. And yeah, well, it's not very strong plastic, but yeah, it will do the job. The plastic in everything, it's not very strong. Even this selfie stick that we have here, it has a mount in the end, but it's cheap quality, but we cannot ask for more. Each of these projectors was about $20. We paid in euros, 32 euros. It's more or less $38 to 40. And in that price, we received 2 projectors, 2 selfie sticks, and 2 tripods. The selfie stick has the advantage to become a tripod extension. Let me just show you. We can assemble it like this, and it goes like this. And for that price, you can have a streaming station for a very low cost, really. The light is good. It's not the top of the range, but it gives us a good light. For example, if you notice, for streaming, I can have here a good light source, half meter away, with the second one in this side. It will be totally okay for a stream or video recording. And well, we can dimension the height of the projector with this. And it is what it is. We have to accept that the price is okay for the quality is okay for the price and what you get. For $40, you get 2 projectors with 2 tripods and 2 selfie sticks, and also the ball heads. This normally it's about $4 more or less. If you buy this on AliExpress, this part here. Anyway, but it's included. You will not have to buy it. And Neewer normally have good quality products. So regarding the material, it's not the best, but if you consider that what you paid for it, you will have here a very good product. For example, we have the Viltrox UV light RGB RB08P. We have a review on that. That is a LED light with battery, and through RGB we can configure every color in the RGB range. And yeah, but you will have to pay on Amazon something like $17 for it, and 2 lights with this you have only $40. So yeah, it comes with some filters that you can use to improve, to give different light. Sometimes it's a little hard to insert. Yeah, but sometimes it's a little hard to insert, but yeah, you can use it. For example, if you add blue, you will have a purple light. Let's see if I can insert it here. It's not always easy. Yeah, you will have purple. And if you take this out and, for example, use blue and yellow, you will have green. Okay. Yellow light. Blue light. Well, you got the idea. On the camera it doesn't seem, but it gives a really nice tone of light. It will give an ambience light. For example, if you want to put some light, some blue appointments on the wall, it will be okay. Well, the impression here, it's good, because even if the product, it's not the top range product, you have here something that will allow you to have your video sessions, like recording, streaming, photo shooting, and with a good lighting capability. This gives a lot of light for its size. Don't forget, this has about, I don't know, but almost 15 centimeters for 10, something like that. And for the size, it gives a lot of light, and that is something to consider. And this is a lighting set. So I think it's a good, it is a good product, and we are happy with it. So I hope this review helped to decide if you want to buy one. If you want to buy one, you have the links on the description. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time we have new videos. If this video helped you and you like it, give a thumbs up. And that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. That's all. Cheers.